Sequence and series miscellaneous exercise remaining problems from 19. The ratio of arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers is A and B is M is to N. So let numbers is A and B. So arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. That is arithmetic mean, and geometric mean is root AB. The ratio is given. So A plus B by 2 by root AB, 2 root AB, it is M is to N. Now we have to find out the numbers A and B. So from this we write A plus B equals to M by N into 2 root AB. That is B1. Now squaring on, now similarly we find A minus B. A minus B whole square equals to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. A plus B whole square is 2 square 4 M square by N square into AB minus 4AB. So 4AB common. M square by N square minus 1. So M square minus N square by N square. So this is A minus B whole square. So A minus B equals to root of M square minus N square by N into root 4AB is 2 root AB. Let it be 2. Now by adding 1 and 2, A plus B plus A minus B is 2A. 2A equals to M by N into 2 root AB plus root M square minus N square by N into 2 root AB. So this is M plus root M square minus N square into 2 root AB by N. This is 2A. 2 will cancel. Next, similarly by subtracting 1 minus 2, A plus B minus A minus B is 2B. 2B equals to same if you write, you will get M minus root M square minus N square into 2 root AB by N. 2 will cancel. Now we have to find the ratio. A is to B. Root AB by N, root AB by N will cancel. So the ratio is M plus root M square minus N square is to M minus root M square minus N square. Next, 20th, ABC are in AP. Next, BCD are in GP. Next, 1 by C, 1 by D, 1 by E are in again AP. So now you have to find why to prove that A, C, E are in GP. So ABC are in AP means differences are equal. B minus A equals to C minus B. So this implies 2B equals to A plus C. Next, BC are in GP means C by B equals to D by C. So C square equals to DD. 1 by D minus 1 by C, differences are equal. 1 by E minus 1 by D. So this implies 2 by D equals to 1 by C plus 1 by E. Now we have to find in terms of A, C, E. So A equals to 2B minus C. C square equals to BD. So this is also 1 by E equals to 2 by D minus 1 by C. We will find ACE values in terms of BD so that we can easily solve it. Root BD. A equals to 2B minus C. 2B minus C value is root BD. So root B common, 2 root B minus root D. C equals to root BD, A equals to root B in terms of BD and E. Here also we have to solve E value. 1 by E equals to 2 by B minus 1 by C root B. So LCM is root B into D. 2 root BD minus root D. So this is E value. So E equals to root BD by 2 root B minus root D. Now what you have to do that ACR in GP. So A value, we find the ratio. C by A. C by A equals to root BD by root B into 2 root B minus root D. Root B will cancel. So it is equals to root D by 2 root B minus root D. Next, similarly, E by C. E by C is E value root B into D by 2 root B minus root D by C. C is root of BD. So root B will cancel. Root D by root D is root D. And this is root B minus root D. So both ratios are same. So this therefore A, C, E are in G. So find A, C, E values in terms of BD and prove that C by A equals to E by C. So that ratios are same. So those are in GB. Next, find the sum of the following series up to n terms. 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus and so on. Take 5 common, 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus and so on in terms. So multiply with 9 and divide with 9. 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus and so on. So 5 by 9 into 9 you can write 10 minus 1. 10 square minus 1. 10 cube minus 1. And so on. Nth bracket is 10 power n minus 1. So it is equals to 5 by 9 into 10. 10 square 10 cube is in GP n terms. So A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 n times is minus 5 into 10 50. 9 into 9 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 5 by 9 into n. Similarly, B 0.6 plus 0.66 up to n terms. Same, you take 6 common and multiply with 9. 0.9 plus 0.99 plus so it is equals to 6 by 9 into 0 by 9 you can write 1 minus 1 by 10. 0.99 you can write 1 minus 1 by 10 square. 1 minus 1 by 10 cube plus and so on. Nth bracket is 1 minus 1 by 10 power n. So 6 by 9 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 is n. 1 by 10, 1 by 10 square, 1 by 10 cube is in GP. So A into R power n by 1 minus R power n. 1 minus R. So it is equals to 6n by 9 minus 10 times we cancel 6 by 9 into 9, 81 into 1 minus 1 by 10 power. 6 we can cancel 3 times 27. Next, 22. Find the 20th term of the series. 22 into 4 plus 4 into 6 plus 6 into 8 plus and so on and terms. In this series, we have to find the 20th term. So, first terms, if you observe 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, nth term is 2n. Otherwise, you can apply arithmetic progression. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. First term 2, n minus 1 into difference of 2, 2n minus 2 plus 2, 2n. Next, similarly, if you take the second sequence 4, 6, 8, and so on, what is nth term? Same formula 4 plus n minus 1 into 3, 2n plus 2. So the nth term of the total series is 2 equals to 2n into 2n plus 2. Now we have to find the 20th term. This is an. So a20 of the given series 20 into 2, 40 into 40, 1680. We have to find only nth term of this series. Next term. Find the sum of first n terms of the series. First of all, what is the given series is 3 plus 7 plus 13 plus 21 plus 31 plus and so on. We have to find the sum of n terms. So n terms equals to, we have to find. So let it be Sn equals to 3 plus 7 plus 13 plus 21 plus and so on. Last nth term is an. Now you write the same Sn from the second term. 3 plus 7 plus 13 plus and so on plus last a n minus 1 plus last an. Now subtract this one. Sn minus Sn is 0. 3 plus 7 minus 2 is 4. 13 minus 7, 6, 8 and so on. Last minus an, and this in the middle you will get n minus 1 terms. Because we are writing from the second term, this up to this only we have n minus 1 term. So from this you will get nth term. An equals to 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and so on. This is in arithmetic progression, and you can find the sum of n minus 1 terms. So n minus 1 by 2 into 2 into a plus n minus 1 minus 1, n minus 2 into difference of 2. So 3 plus n minus 1 by 2 into 2n minus 4 plus 4. 2 may cancel, we may n minus 1 into n plus 2. So by simplifying an equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into n plus 2 is equals to n square plus n minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. So nth term is n square plus n plus 1. Now we have to find the sum of n terms. So Sn equals to sigma an. Sigma n square plus n plus 1. Sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma 1, sum of first, sigma 1 is n. So n into n plus 1 by 2 taking LCM and n common from the whole. N plus 1 into 2n plus 1. N plus 1 into by multiplying n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 is 2n square plus 2n plus 1 3n plus 1 and LCM is 6. 3 times 3 into n plus 1 3n plus 3 plus 6. So n by 6 into 2n square plus 6n plus 10. We can cancel 2. So n by 3 into n square plus 3n plus 5. Then the next one. S1 is sum of first n natural numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus n. This is sigma n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly, sum of squares of first n natural numbers. This is sigma n square. This is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. S3, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus n cube. This is sigma n cube. It is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. These are the values of S1, S2, S3. Now we have to prove that 9s2 square equal to S3 into 1 plus 8s1. So you consider S3 into 1 plus 8s1 or HS1. S3 n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. 1 plus 8 into S1, n into n plus 1 by 2. 2 4 times. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is 4n square plus 4n plus 1. So n square into n plus 1 whole square, and this is 2n plus 1 whole square. You multiply with 9 and divide with 9. So 9 into, this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole by 6. 36 is 6 whole square. So this is 9s2 square. Find the sum of the following series up to n terms. So to find the sum of n terms, first we find the nth term. For that we apply sigma notation. 1 cube plus 2 cube. Suppose first bracket is 1 cube. First term is 1 cube. We observe the numerators 1 cube plus 2 cube up to 3 cube up to n cube, nth term. Similarly, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on up to n terms. Sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. And sum of first order terms is n square. N square will cancel. So n plus 1 whole square by 4. That is n square plus 2n plus 1 by 4. This is the nth term of the given series. Now we have to find the sum. Sn is nothing but sigma an. One by 4 you can write outside. 1 by 4 into sigma n square 2 into sigma n plus sigma 1. 1 by 4 into sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 2 into sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma 1 is n. By simplifying, we will get it. We can take n outside common. LCM 6 by multiplying and it is not possible to factorize it also. We can leave it. Next, 26, same. We will simplify both numerator and denominator. 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 4 square plus and so on n into n plus 1 whole square. So sigma, what is the term? N into n plus 1 whole square. For this, you have to apply sigma notation. So it is equals to sigma n into n plus 1 whole square n square plus 2n plus 1. So this is sigma n cube, sigma n square plus sigma n. Sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n is n into n plus 1 by n into n plus 1 common. 4, 6, 2 LCM 12. Here you have n into n plus 1. So, and 3 times. So 3n square plus 3n. N into n plus 1, 2 times 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2n plus 1. 8n plus 4 plus 6 times. So it is equals to n into n plus 1 into 3n square plus 11n plus 10 by 12. You can factorize it, I think. 3n square plus 11n plus 10. 3 into 10, 13. 6 into 5. So 6n plus 5n plus 10. So 3n common, n plus 2. Plus 5 common, n plus 2. So factors n plus 2 into 3n plus 5. So it is equals to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 3n plus 5 by 12. This is the first one. Similarly, second one, denominator. One square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 plus and so on plus n square into n plus 1. So this is the term for which we have to apply sigma notation. N square into n plus 1. Sigma n square into n is n cube plus sigma n square. Sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So n into n plus 1 common. And LCM 12 3 times. So 3n into n plus 1 is 3n square plus 3n. 2 times 2 into 2n plus 1, 4n plus 2. N into n plus 1 into 3n square plus 6n plus 2. So factors n plus 2 into 3n plus 1 by 12. 3n square plus 6 plus 1, 7n plus 2. Okay, correct. So what is the ratio? 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square plus and so on plus n into n plus 1 whole square by 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 plus and so on n square into n plus 1 equals to. First one we get n into n plus 1 into 2n n plus 2 into 3n plus 5 by 12. By similarly second one we get n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into 3n plus 1 by 12. So ratio is 3n plus 5 by 3n plus 4. So we have to do it. Next 27. A farmer buys a used tractor for 12,000. He pays 6,000 cash and agrees to pay the remaining amount in the annual installment of 500 plus 12% interest. Now first you take so first of all already paid 6,000. So unpaid amount is 12,000 minus 6,000, that is 6,000. So 6,000 he has to pay. So interest paid is 12% first month. Second month is 5,500 only. So total interest paid equals to first installment. Let A and be the nth installment. So first A1 first installment is 500 plus 12% of unpaid amount first 6,000 by 100, 12%. So it is equals to 500 plus 720. So it is equals to 520. Similarly, A2 500 installment plus 12% of remaining amount 5,500. Because first installment he paid already 500. So remaining unpaid amount is 5,500. So 500 plus 660. So 1160. Similarly, A3 500 plus 12% of remaining amount 5,000. So 500 plus 600. So it is equals to 1100. If you observe the terms, 11, 12,000, 1220, 1160, 1100, and so on. This sequence forms a arithmetic progression with the first term 1220 and the common difference is minus 60. Minus 60. And we know total number of installments for 6,000 for each month 500 means 12 installments. We have to find S12. So S12 equals to 12 by 2 into first term 1220 into 2440 plus 11 into difference minus 60. So it is equals to 6 into 2440 minus 660. So it is equals to 6 into 6,680. So this is only for installment for the remaining the 6,000. So total cost of the software. Because already paid 6,000, so plus this amount 6,680. So total amount is 16,680. For a 12 installment only will get for 6,000. Next one also same. Shamshad Ali buys his quota for 22,000 and he pays 4,000. So unpaid amount equals to 22,000 minus 4,000 equals to 18,000. So for this 18,000 he is annually paying 10 interest rate plus installment 1,000. So 1,000 installments means we have to find 18 installments. So same let A and B the amount of nth installment. Now A1 first installment is paying 1,000 plus 10%. So 10 by 100 into 18,000. So it is equals to 1,000 plus 1,800, 2,800. A2 1,000 plus 10% of 17,000. So 1,700, 2,700. Similarly, A3 1,000 plus 10 by 100 into 16,000. So it is equals to 2,600. So here also A1, A2, A3 and so on. Form a arithmetic progression, and first term is 2,800 and common difference is minus 100. Here we will get 18 installments. So is 18 you have to find 18 by 2 into 2 into 8, 2,800 plus 18 minus 1, 17 into D minus 100. So 925600 minus 1,700. So installments he pays 35,100. So total cost same again you have to add 4,000. So total 39,100. Next one, a person writes a letter to four of his friends and he asks each one of them to copy the letter and mail to four different persons with instruction that they move the chain similarly. Assuming that the chain is not broken and the cost of the is the 50 paise to mail one letter, find the amount spent on the postage when the each set of the letter is 4 mailed. So here number of letters mailed. A-N you take. So first A1 wrote the 4 letters, so that is 4. Next the second, these 4 persons writing 4 each, so 4 into 4, 4 square. Next the third one, These four square persons writing, each person write 4. So 4 square into 4, that is 4 cube, and so on. So this is in geometric progression. And after eighth set we have to find. So S8 we have to find first. S8 equals to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. First term is 4. Common difference is also 4. 4, 4, 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. So 4 into 4, 4, 8. 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 minus 1 by 3. So total it is 87,380. So these are the number of letters mailed after 8th set. But each postcard is cost 50 paise. So total cost equals to 87,380 into 50 paise means 1 by 2 rupees. So it is equals to 43690. So this is the total cost after 8th set of the mailed letters. A man deposited 10,000 in the bank at the rate of 5% simple interest annually. Find the amount deposited after 15th year and 20th year. So only well, then you take let A and be the amount in the bank after n years. So initially deposited means A naught. A naught is 10,000. So after 1 year you have to add 5% simple interest. So 5% means 10,000 plus 5 by 100 into 10,000. So 10,000 plus 500, 10,500. Next A2. Here only simple interest, so you have to add always 500 only for this amount. So 10,500 plus 500, 11,000. A3, 11,000 plus 500 for 10,000, 500, 11,500. So this is in A2. So now we have to find after 15th year and after 20th year. So S15. We have to find the amount in after 15th year. So only A15 you have to find. So A15 equals to first term 10,000 plus 14 into common difference is 500. So 14 into 500, 7,000. So total 17,000. Similarly, after 20 years, you have to find 20th term what we have A20. So same 10,000 plus 19 into 500. Total amount after 20 years. After 20 years, we will get 20 installments. We have to add 20 into 500. So it is equal to 10,000 plus 10,000, 20,000. So in the 15th year, we have to add 14 installments. We will get. So 14 installments is 14 into 500, 17,000. And the 20, after 20 years, 20 installments we have to add. Total amount is first they deposited amount of 10,000. So after 20 years, 20 installments. In the 15th year, we will get only 14 installments. So this is the difference between A15 and A20. A manufacturer reckons that the value of a machine which cost him is 15,625 and will depreciate each year by 20%. So find the estimated value at the end of 5 years. The cost of the machine is 15,625. So machine depreciates each year by 20%. So after 5 years, you have to find. You have to find the estimated value at the end of 5 years. So 20% depreciate means actual cost is 80% of the original cost every year. So first A1, 80% of the 15,625 every year. This is A2. A2 also same again. This is 4 by 5 into 15,625. Again 80% means 4 by 5 into A1. A1 is 4 by 5 into 15,625. So like this, if you find 15,625 into 4 by 5 whole square. So like this, A3 will get 15,625 into 4 by 5 whole cube and so on. So after 5 years, you have to find. So A5 equals to 15,625 into 4 by 5 whole power 5. So it is equals to 15,625 into 4 power 5. 1024 by 5 power 5. 5 power 4 is 625. Five times. So it is equals to 5120. So this is the value of the machine at the end of 5 years. So you have to decrease the 20% by each cost. So original cost is 80%. So 80% you have to decrease each time. Next 32. 150 workers engaged with a finished job in a certain number of days. So 4 workers dropped out on second day, 4 more workers dropped on third, and so on. It took 8 more days to finish the work. Find the number of days in which the work was completed. So first of all, suppose you take let n be the number of days of which 150 workers to finish that work. Means so for each day, if 150 workers worked, engaged that work, in that case, number of days is n. Now, if 4 persons per day decreased, dropped out, then 8 days more. So total number of days according to this is n plus 8 days. So total number of workers for n days is 150 into n. Next, similarly, first day 150 workers, second day 150 minus 4, 146 workers, next 142. Like this, number of days n plus 8 days, so total n plus 8 terms you have to add. According to the given information, you will get total number of days n. So each day 150 workers are working. So in that case, so total number of workers, if you count 150 into n. Similarly, first day 150, second day 146, 142, like this. 80 days more means the total number of days n plus 8 terms you have to find. So by equating and you have to find the value of n. 150 into n equals to, this is in arithmetic progression, n plus 8 by 2 into 150. 300 plus n plus 8 minus 1, n plus 7 into common difference is minus 4. So 150 n equals to n plus 8 into 300 by 2 is 150 minus 4n minus sorry, this is 2n. 2 will cancel, minus 2 into 4. 2 into 7, 40. So it is equals to 150 into n equals to n plus 8 into 150 minus 14, 136 minus 2n. So it is equals to 136n minus 2n square plus 8 into 136, 8 into 6. Thousand 88 minus 16n. Otherwise, you can cancel 2 also both sides. This is 115n. So take all terms to left side and divide with 2. N square 150 plus 16, 166. 166 minus 136 minus 30n. So minus 15 plus 15n minus 1088 by 2 minus 544 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation with the find the factors. N square 544, 32 into 7, so plus 32n minus 17n minus 544 equal to 0. So n plus 32 into n minus 17 equal to 0. So n value is 17 as natural numbers. So as n is not negative number of days. So required number of days equals to total 17 and 8 more days. So total 25 days required to finish the work.